Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this no makeup look with gradient lips. This look is ideal for those days when you do not want to look like you have put on a lot of makeup, but at the same time you need that coverage and a subtle glow. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. I'm gonna prep my skin with the Body Shop Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Daily Solution. It really hydrates my skin without leaving it oily. With the help of the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Pencil, I'm gonna slowly start filling in the sparse areas of my brows. Since today we are doing a no makeup look, we need to be extra careful that we are only filling the sparse areas, and that too very lightly. Now I'm gonna slowly start combing my brows to make them look very natural. With the help of a concealer that matches my skin tone, I'm gonna slowly start cleaning the edges of my brows. Now with the help of the Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette, I'm gonna spot correct. So basically you need to correct all those problem areas, and for that you need to use a concealer that exactly matches your skin tone. Otherwise there's no point in doing this no makeup look. I'm gonna be using this under my eyes to correct my dark circles and also in some areas where I have chickenpox and pimple marks on my skin. I'm gonna first apply the concealer with the help of a concealer brush and then blend it using the warmth of my fingers. Since we are doing a no makeup look today, we need to be extra careful while blending and make it look as natural as possible. Our goal is to achieve a makeup look that doesn't look like makeup, and a foundation would do just the opposite. So I'm not gonna use any foundation today. I'll set my face with the help of a compact powder. You can also use a translucent powder. So I'll be setting my under eye area and all those areas where I have applied concealer. I'll not do any eye makeup today. I'll be just applying a coat of mascara on my lashes and leave it natural. On my waterline, I'll be applying some white eye pencil. It immediately opens up and brightens my eyes without making it look extra. Now taking the blush shade from my Sugar Contour palette, I'm gonna add a pop of color on my cheeks. To make my eyes look brighter, I'll be applying some highlighter in the inner corners. Now for my gradient lips, I'll be taking a Q-tip and applying dots of foundations on my lips and blend the lip lines. The best thing about gradient lips is subtle and natural looking lip lines. Now I'll be taking a nude shade of liquid lipstick and applying it all over my lips, and then with the help of a Q-tip, I'll be blending the lines of my lips to make it look as natural as possible. Now I'll be taking a darker shade of liquid lipstick and applying it on the inner part. Blend it with your fingers or dab it with your lips and you'll achieve a subtle gradient lips that complements the no makeup look. And that is the completed look. This is my everyday go-to makeup look for work. This look is also ideal for college girls and all those girls who do not want to look extra but still wanna look glammed up. For your convenience, I have listed up all the products that I have used for this look in my description box. If you like this video, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching.